my name's Sheila Cooley. I'm an instructor here at Waterfront Diving Center, and today we're going to talk about how to analyze a nitrox tank. This is a small caveat. This does not replace taking the nitrox certification course that we offer here at Waterfront Diving Center. This is just to supplement and enhance your knowledge. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to analyze a nitrox tank. I've got everything I need here. I've got an air tank. I've got my nitrox tank that I'd like to analyze. I've got a nitrox analyzer. I've got a tag to put on the tank to mark it, and then I've got my marker to mark it with. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is turn on your analyzer. They're all a little bit different. Now we want to make sure that our analyzer is measuring the correct amount of oxygen that's in the tank. So we're going to calibrate it against air because we know air is 20.9% oxygen. Turn on the tank first to about 2 liters a minute as a flow rate. Too much or too little will be an inaccurate reading of the amount of oxygen. To tell you how much 2 liters is, it's really about the sound of the tank and the air coming out of it. So you don't want to be too high a pitch or sound like it's dribbling out. So that's probably about 2 liters there. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the tank. And you want to set it about 2 liters per minute. It is based on manufacturer's guidelines for your analyzer. I'm going to put the opening of the analyzer against the tank valve, and then I'm going to adjust it until I get that 20.9, because that's what I know is in the tank. There it goes. Great. So now that I've calibrated my analyzer, I can go ahead and analyze my nitrox tank. Same thing, I want to crack that valve with the analyzer away so I don't blow out the analyzer. Same rate of flow is ideal for an accurate measurement. And you're going to see it's going to climb up. And this one is going 32.3, 0.4, 0.5. 32.5. Within 0.1% is generally what you want to analyze your tank to. Obviously, if you're using dive tables, they're not that exact, but if you are setting your computer on your dive computer, they might be. So next, now that I've analyzed, I need to mark my tank, and this is really important. You always want to be the one to analyze your tank, and you always want to mark your tanks, especially if you're going out with more than one tank on a dive charter or on a dive trip. So this one already has a sticker. Just for example's sake here, I put this sticker on. But the information that you really want on there is your date, your percentage, what's oxygen in the tank, the pressure, so what is the fill pressure, 3,000 psi, 3,500 psi, whatever it is. What's your maximum operating depth, which is something that we're going to cover in the nitrox course, and how to calculate that. And then who analyzed it? You analyzed it. Maybe the person that filled this tank for you analyzed it. So you're going to sign your initials there. Most places also have a nitrox log. So you're going to put your name, date, and signature that you analyzed your tank and you calculated your own maximum operating depth. You always want to analyze your own tank. You want to trust your dive buddies underwater, but you never trust anyone with your nitrox tank. This is something you always want to do for yourself. So that's pretty much it for analyzing a nitrox tank, and we'll see you underwater.